Need TC bolts delivered quickly? There's one company that can ship them fast and ensure every bolt you receive is of the highest quality. When you rely on BACO Enterprises Inc. for any type of tension control bolt you require, you know you're getting quality, extensive customer service capabilities, and prompt delivery of your components. The TC bolts we supply can be customized according to your unique specs and are available in a wide range of diameters, lengths, and types, which we maintain as part of our vast inventory. This helps to ensure we can get them to you in the quantities you need fast. For customers in the Northeast and Mid-Atlantic, tension control bolts can be delivered the very next day, enabling you to use them on the job without frustrating delays. Best of all, ordering them is incredibly easy. For prompt delivery of TC bolts that meet with your unique job specifications and unmatched customer service, contact us at BACO Enterprises.